Welcome everyone to another episode of Faye Fitness. Today I'm going to show you a great core workout using TRX straps that is great for someone with atrial fibrillation or for those of you that are just hoping to kind of mix up your core routine. So if this sounds like something you'd like to learn how to do, stay tuned and I'll show you how. Thank you so much for tuning in today, everyone. As you saw in the introduction, today I'm going to show you a great core workout for your abdominis muscles that you can do using the TRX straps at your local gym. So for those of you who don't know what a TRX strap or a TRX machine is, they are long straps with handles at the end, generally on some sort of metal like pole system, kind of like what you would see on a swing set outside, only this is for indoor use and it's kind of like the playground for adults. I really love TRX straps. You can do an amazing full body workout on them. They're low impact, so they're perfect for people with recovering from injuries, with health conditions such as atrial fibrillation, high blood pressure, hypertension, or if you're just new to fitness and don't really know what you're doing, these are a great beginner tool that can also be used for more advanced fitness later on. So I'll go ahead and cut to some footage of me at the gym kind of explaining how to do this move. But basically it's really simple. You'll just be in a plank position and with your feet in the TRX straps, and you want to bring your knees as close to your chest with as little arching of the back as possible. So let's go ahead and get on to the video where I demonstrate further. So as you can see for this TRX Ab Pull-In, I have my feet in the strap so they are hovering above the ground. I start off in a plank position and then pull the knees as close into my chest as possible while keeping my back as straight as possible with as little arch. And this is how we want to keep our core nice and engaged. As always, if you have any questions, please leave those in the comments down below. And otherwise, I will see you next week for another Faye Fitness video. So until then, bye guys! Thank you for watching today's video. If you're new to my channel, please hit that like and subscribe button to stay up to date on all my fresh new content. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much. I really appreciate your support and continued watching of videos on this channel. As always, if you have any questions or you need help with anything, leave them in the comments down below and I'd be more than happy to help you. And if you'd like to check out another popular video, click on either side and feel free to watch that as well. Have a great day.